Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Beebeecraft unboxing for you. Another one. I really like Beebeecraft. The products are always very good quality. The prices are extremely reasonable. You can get a lot of bang for your buck. I also have a code if you would like to check the description box, and I will put it on the screen here somewhere for you to jot down quickly, or like I said, it will be in the description box anyway, as long as along with all the handy links that we would possibly need. So without further ado, I'm going to get in and show you what I chose from Beebeecraft this time around. As you might be able to tell here, I've gone for a theme with the colours. You can't so much tell with here because they're multicoloured, but I have gone for a theme. I'm looking at some sort of New Year's type themes. This is a general code of what I've picked out, but don't worry, I will be giving you prices and such anyway. So I'm going to start with what I wrote down first. Let's get these out of the way. I'm going to start with this Apatite strand. Now this is star cut Apatite round beads, between 6 and 7 millimeters, because obviously they're a natural stone, and it's a beautiful colour. I do love Apatite, and it's very popular at the moment because I think of its colour and how it just pops out. It's very sea-like. And if we zoom in on some of these beads, you can see they are just so beautiful. And I love the facets on these, making them glimmer a little bit more as well. They are very beautiful. It's a very beautiful stone, and this was £6.49 or $8.39 for a 7.5 inch strand, which for the project I'm going to be doing with these is just perfect. I won't need any more than that, but like I said, it is a very popular stone at the moment, and it is very nice. I'll pop that there. Next I have these I thought were just gorgeous. Let's pop these out. Look at the sparkle on those. They are absolutely stunning. These are 9.5 by 8 millimeters, and it's a very good size strand. They are absolutely gorgeous. Look at the glimmer. They're so clear and nicely cut. They're even more beautiful than I could have imagined on the site. They are just stunning. I'm really glad I chose those. Again, I have a plan in mind for these. Whenever I pick things, I do always have plans in mind to try and make sure I get the videos that they want done. So that is those. See those down there, so you can keep looking at them. They are just so gorgeous. Absolutely stunning. And they were £7.07 or $9.19. Next I have these, which I know it says 2 millimeter, but these are even smaller than I was expecting. They are tiny, but they are gorgeous. Let's get them out of the bag again, because these bags are slightly cloudy, so even though you can see the sparkle when we get them out, they're going to be even better. And they are. Look at those. Gorgeous. This is 10 strands with this one. They are beautiful. They are beautiful. I'm going to be using them for bead embroidery, but you will see that. You'll see the project I'm going to be using them for. They are absolutely stunning. Again, the quality with Beebeecraft is just beautiful. Every time they're kind of like a poison apple colour, I guess, or like it reminds me of like a toxic sort of poisonous colour, but beautiful. I don't know how to describe it. Like something Maleficent would choose, maybe. So there's those, and that was 10 strands for £6.23 or $8.09. So very good, because they are very nice. They're good sized strands as well. It's, say, a 14-inch strand there, easily. Beautiful. Absolutely stunning. Next, I received these. I already know that I love stuff like this. A lot of people don't like using the pointed back for bead embroidery, but I will be showing you how I'm going to get around that, because I am going to be using them for bead embroidery, and they are gorgeous, just like I'd hoped they would be. I've had similar to this before without quite as much of a pointed back, but they are beautiful. They're so clear. The Chinese crystal just keeps getting better and better. Let's zoom in. Look at those. They are absolutely stunning. I'm very pleased with those. I can't wait to show you. Okay, as you can see, these colours are starting to come together. What I've chosen them to do, or what I've chosen them for. So I can't wait to show you our projects. Let's pop these away back in this bag. And last but not least, we have these, which a couple of them come out. I don't really mind that. They are glass cabochans. They're, what were they? They were 12mm. Oh, by the way, these were 10mm around, and they were £4.07 for 5 or $5.29. And these ones, these are just, I love these, what I've heard them called is backlit cabochans. They're just gorgeous. I've used them before in different things, not from Beebeecraft, but let's get in there. Let's just sort these out quickly. But they are absolutely beautiful. I really like these so much. I love using them. I just don't feel like they're like showing you on camera just how beautiful they are. Like, these are the ones that particularly caught my eye because of obviously the poison apple sort of. I thought they'd go very nicely with those and some bead embroidery, but I will use every one of them. I absolutely love these so much. They're so beautiful. I wonder if I could quickly find what I use them for. No, apologies, I couldn't find it, but they are one of my favourite things to use, just to add, like, I don't even know why, they're just so beautiful. They do look like they're just lit up from the inside out. I can't wait to use those either. And that is what I got. Oh wait, these were 40 pieces for £7.92 or $10.29, and they're 12mm around. I thank you for joining me. I hope you saw something you liked. Don't forget, if you did and you want to go and make a purchase, there is a code that you can use in the description box below. You may as well get money off where you can. And I hope to see you next time for what we actually decide to make with these pieces. I really hope you join me and see what we make. They just go beautifully together, don't they? I can't get over how gorgeous these are. Incredibly sparkly and stunning. Beautiful. Thank you very much for joining me. Take care now. Bye bye then.